Hi everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make pants and tops for outdoor. I already made one here. It's quite easy and quite good. I used this from my old ski pants of mine. That's why it's have still a little bit of glitter underneath, and then made a top for her. So really easy way. So I'm gonna show you now. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need stretchy material. It must be stretchy and dry that it doesn't fray as well. Just fold it in half or double, and you place your doll up on that and make your legs open a bit. And then, like on the top already, you can decide where you want the pants to be. I want it in the middle of the body. Just make sure she's straight. And then you just go all around her body. I'm using black here, so that's why I use the soap. The length you want it. And there it is. So first I'm gonna just pin it down. So just make sure that each side is almost the same, or the possible is the same. So I'm just going a bit out. Okay, and then you just sew on the line that you made here with the pencil. Oh well, I might use the soap. You use just all on that line. Just leave open here by the feet, and then by the body leave open. So that's it. So more or less I am sew on that lines, and now just cut it out not too close so that it will open again, just close to the lines. Just leave a little seam allowance. So I got this nice outfit for Sally. I just need shoes for her. I've got this purple shoes here. Obviously it doesn't fit, so I'm going to use my Sharpie and I'm going to make it black.